Hi friends, it's me, Cookie, and today I wanted to make something sweet with you. Cookie Me wants to make cookies with you. We're gonna make chocolate chip cookies. Let's go! Me and my friend are ready to make some cookies. We have our flour and our baking soda in this ready to go. We're gonna put that to the side and we're gonna add all these ingredients into our mixer. So let's go. Go ahead and grab the stuff. I'll get the butter. Go ahead, pour it right in. Go ahead and keep going. Get it all in there. Great job. All right. Go ahead and get the last. Go ahead. Little splash of the vanilla. And then go ahead and grab the egg. Just one egg. All right. And we'll use our mixer and we will get going. Mixing in there. Be done any second. And then we'll add in the flour and the baking soda. Now that it's fluffy, we're going to add the flour and the baking soda. Go ahead, nice and slowly. This is our favorite part. Add in the chocolate chips. It's all mixed in. Doesn't it look so good? Let's get these onto a baking tray and cooking. Now that the batter is ready, we're going to make small balls. We're going to roll them. Go ahead. Base them. They're going to be about 2 inches apart. There we go. Alright, and we're going to fill these all up until they're finished. Keep going. Look at these yummy cookies. They are all ready to get into the oven. Let's go put them in. Here they go. Off to cook to be delicious. Bye cookies. See you in a few. They're in there cooking. They look so good. Oh, I can't wait for them to come out.
They're melting. They're melting.
They just came out and we're gonna let them cool, but they look so delicious already. Now that they're all done, let's try them. These really are good. How do you like them?
I love them. They're great. I can't stop eating them.
Well, these really did come out great. Well, friends, I hope you had a great time today baking cookies with us. They actually came out really, really good. You should try and cook them yourself. I bet you'll say the same thing. Well, it's been great having you here today. And remember to keep coming back for more and more fun with me, your friend Cookie. That's Kookie, and that would be me. And don't forget, if you like videos like this, like them and subscribe to keep seeing more and more.